What's up? Welcome to another episode of Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make soft, moist and extremely delicious banana cake. This cake recipe is really very easy with few ingredients that are easily available at your home. This is probably the best banana cake I have ever made. So if you like this recipe, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And now let's get started. So for this recipe, you require 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of oil, a pinch of salt, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 3 medium-sized bananas. So guys, if you want the written recipe of this banana cake, I have given the link of my blog in the description box below. You can go and check that out. In a large bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, baking soda and the salt. Mix it well and keep it aside. Peel the bananas and take them in a bowl. Mash them using a fork till it forms a thick paste. Add in the sugar and mix it well till it is combined. Pour in the oil or the butter and mix it together. Next, crack in the egg and the vanilla essence and mix it. Add the flour mixture into the banana mixture in 2 batches and mix it well till it is combined. Empty the cake batter into a 7-inch round baking tin greased and dusted with flour or lined with parchment paper. You can also bake it in a loaf pan or a smaller round tin like a 6-inch one. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once the cake is out of the oven, let it cool down in the tin itself for about 10 minutes and then demold it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.